Okay guys, welcome back to the class. So this is the part 2. In this part 2 I'm going to teach you how to model the knot. In the part 1 we model the bolt, but this part 2 now we are going to teach how to model the knot. So you guys should watch me as I model this knot in Blender. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you are new to this page, please follow this page for more tutorials, okay, on Blender. So let's start. So that's your head of your bolt. Let me first of all, so that bolt, copy it and paste it so that it will be 2. Okay, so move it down. Okay, then when you move it down, then you have to go to set origin, then set the origin, okay, origin to geometry, so that any change you apply will be applying to that particular knot. Okay, then also snap it. Okay, snap, do cursor to selection. Okay, so like I said, you have to organize everything. Okay, set the origin. Okay, so that when you want to rotate the bolt or animate it, it will be rotating properly. Okay, and then the next step is for you to add another cylinder. Okay, so add another cylinder for the knot hole. Okay, then when you add it, then let me change the color to random so that I'll be seeing whatever I added. So you see that I added a cylinder over there. Then the next thing you have to do is you go to add modifier. Okay, then you have to apply a boolean modifier. Okay, so that boolean modifier is, then select the object for the boolean, okay, where the hole is going to come from. Then when you do that, then go to object, data properties, then you go to viewport display, then turn it to bounding box, so that you'll be seeing the real time of the boolean. Then that's that thing that we added in the bolt from the screw modifier. You have to drag it down and then adjust the angles of it, okay, and the dimension, so that we can make it smaller to fit in for the knot. So you see the way I'm doing it, then I'll position it, at that place for it to stay there. Then when you finish, then you need to scale it down, okay, and also go to edit mode. In edit mode, then you rotate the edge, okay, so that it will look as if that the thing is, facing the opposite direction for the knot. Okay, so that is how you are going to be doing it. So we'll continue to adjust it. So that I believe that if you join my animation class, you will learn more about 3D animation. Okay, so if you like to learn more about 3D animation to create characters, bigger objects, then I recommend you join my animation class. Okay, so use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me for my animation class. You see the way I'm adjusting, that's screw modifier that I added, the ring. Okay, so you need to adjust the angles and the screw, okay, so that it will match properly. Okay, so that is how you're doing it, and always use Control Alt key to move around the screen. So I'm going to adjust the screw to make it smaller. So the screw is controlling the length of it, okay, while the angle is controlling the width, how large you want it to be. So when you finish doing all these things, you see that we are almost done now. So we are almost done. Okay, so you can also scale it and adjust it or move it anyhow you want. Just make it to match perfectly inside the knot. Okay, you see how I used 2 different objects to create knots here. I first used cylinder, and then I added another cylinder for the boolean modifier, and then I apply screw modifier. So if you want Blender to be easy for you, then you need to learn the modifier. So at this point, see, let me select the face of that my bolt. I'm going to apply bevel to it. So I'm going to apply a bevel, and then I'm going to pull it. You see, then I now have that bolt like structure of a normal bolt. So in Blender, when you are working with 3D, you need a good topology, okay? Because I believe that if you want your work to have good quality, then you need to apply good topology. And when you mean topology, I just mean adding quartz. Okay, so during 3D, make sure that all your objects that have quartz, not engines and not triangles. Very, very important. Okay, so in my animation class, I explain it in details so that you know, even when you want to model your character, you will always be using clean topology, good edge flow. So these are all the things you need in order for you to achieve. So this is the painting, this is the shading, how I shaded the material of the bolt, you see. So for bolts, you have to increase the metallic. Okay, that is the main thing. So you have to increase the metallic of your bolt, and also you have to reduce the roughness. Okay, so once you do that, then choose white color. Okay, so once you do that, you will see that your bolt will turn to a metallic material. You know that in Blender, when you finish modeling, then you have to go to material and give your modeling the kind of material it needs. Okay, so that is just basically what I did here, organizing the thing, twisting the whole thing, all these things. Now it is well explained on my animation class. So if you want to join my animation class, then use the link in the comment section or in the description of this video to join. Okay, and if you want to purchase this bolt or not, you can do that. Or if you want to purchase other characters I created and background and object, just go over to my Gumroad shop or my seller shop. Links are there. Go over there, you will see all those things, and then you can purchase me any of those stuff I created and support the channel. Okay, so guys, that's all about this video. Hope it was educational, hope you learned something from it. So I'll like you guys to please like this video, okay, comment, share this video, and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and follow this page if you have not followed this page yet. So that's all about this tutorial. And if you want to watch more about Blender tutorial, then use the link in the comment section to watch all my Blender tutorial free courses here on YouTube. The links are in the description. So if you want to learn animation, like I said, if you want to learn animation, then reach out to me and also join my WhatsApp channel. Links are in the description. Once you join my WhatsApp channel and contact me, you will get all the apps, and I'll give you a one-on-one mentorship until you become professional animator. Okay, all right, so that's my goal. The goal of this channel is to basically teach you about 2D animation and 3D animation, and then Rico animations. All right guys, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.